Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to use Wave with your e-commerce store. While Wave doesn't have built-in e-commerce plugins, you can integrate it with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce using Zapier or manual imports. And I'm going to show you the methods. So the first option is to use Zapier to automate synchronizing. First, you got to create a Zapier account and then search for your e-commerce platform. It could be Shopify or whatever else it is. But just search for that, and when you find it, set a trigger. It could be new order in Shopify, and then set an action. Maybe create invoice or create customer, and you're gonna set that in Wave. Then you're gonna map order details like customer name, total, and item name to the corresponding Wave fields. The second option is manual import. You can export data from your e-commerce platforms as a CSV, and then in Wave, go to accounting, transactions, and upload a bank statement. Upload the CSV to import transactions, and then you can go ahead and categorize them accordingly. The best practice tips I got for you guys: the first, sync inventory, customer list, and sales receipts regularly. If using Shopify payments or Stripe, you want to enable Wave plus Stripe's integration to auto record payments. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked the information here. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.